Hi, it's John from Tepeo, and your ZEB will fit alongside your wider project. So here on this project, we're in Cambridge, and what we have is solar being added to the property with a 5 kilowatt output, 20 kilowatt battery storage, and then as it's a larger size property with 5 bedrooms including a converted loft, we've had to look at consumption, we've had to look at meeting the demand for the property and utilising the right tariff for off-peak usage. So the benefit of having the 20 kilowatt battery capacity, it will just help supplement in between. So what we have done is, because it's a larger size property, is we have looked at meeting the customer's demand, included thermostat heating in the property, downstairs electric, so everything has been electrified in the property, and then so meeting the demand downstairs and utilising the ZEB to meet the upstairs demand as well. So benefit of using the off-peak tariffs with the ZEB and then using the battery to supplement in between, running the property and being self-sufficient. And to install the ZEB heat battery boiler, we always recommend working with tepeoPRO. So we do not sell to a merchant, so we work with our pros. And our pros, Brimstone on this project, came in, were able to advise the customer, and they're great to just give the customer the choices and options available to them. So check out Brimstone Energy.